Ever feel like you're running on a hamster wheel, striving to make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality, but you're just not getting anywhere? It's a common struggle. But what if there was a way to break free, to finally start gaining the momentum you need? Welcome to the world of entrepreneurship as seen through the lens of the cash flow method. This method has turned countless dreams into tangible realities. Let's dive into some success stories. Consider the tale of a young woman who turned her passion for handcrafted jewelry into a lucrative business. She was barely making ends meet, selling pieces here and there. Then she discovered the power of the cash flow method. By focusing on generating a steady stream of income, she was able to reinvest in her business, expand her product line, and before she knew it, she was a full-fledged, successful entrepreneur. Or how about the young man who had a knack for coding, but was stuck in a 9-to-5 job that stifled his creativity? With the cash flow method, he turned his side hustle of developing mobile apps into a thriving business. Instead of waiting for big paydays that might never come, he focused on creating a steady income flow. This allowed him to quit his day job and dedicate himself fully to his passion. These are just two stories among thousands. The common thread? The cash flow method. It's not about chasing the next big thing, it's about creating a consistent, reliable income stream. So, if you're tired of running in circles and ready to start moving forward, join us. Subscribe and follow this channel, and together, we'll explore the cash flow method in depth. Discover how it can transform not just your business, but your life. From financial tips to savvy business strategies, we've got you covered. Remember, success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, it comes from what you do consistently. Make the cash flow method your consistent strategy. Subscribe and follow for more financial enlightenment. Welcome to your future.